Hello traders, this is a technical analysis video on natural gas ticker symbol UGAZ. We are doing this on the Sunday before the market opens this coming Monday. We are currently at a price range of $9.36. Currently the natural gas futures market is open. I don't know if you guys have seen my video from previously about natural gas futures, but overall we are currently in a downtrend in the winter season. So that's quite unlikely, as typically we get more withdrawals during this time of year. However, the supply of storage is quite large, where the warm winter hasn't been necessarily been enough for the withdrawals and to see the overall price increase on natural gas. So currently we are looking at the 1 month, or let's look at the 1 year chart. I'm gonna zoom a little bit out here. Currently very downtrending significantly, as you can see. This is the intraday chart here. So currently we've had multiple sell-offs at the ever since, we peaked at $20 and we peaked at $20 in around November, mid-November-ish, and since then we've been continuously downtrending here, selling off and selling off. So it's quite rough for all the bulls in DGAS currently. I don't know if any of you guys are in or UGAZ, I mean, but DGAS has definitely been on the upswing for the past couple of days. We see, since the $20 range, we see this continual sell-off pressure with the slight consolidation at the $18 and $15 range. We see that we had a couple of days of a consolidation period around the $14 to $15 range, and then we got a continual selling pressure to $13. We spiked a little bit back up to about the $15 range, so back to the initial consolidation range at $15. So that seems like a very likely target that we would most likely see if you guys are bag holding in this ticker, this ETN. So let's keep going here. So it peaked and then it corrected back down again, back to the $13 range, and then even lower to the 12, and then keeps going lower, and then we got a slight pullback to the upside here. Again, not much. and then another pullback down. Now we're at the lower $9 range, $9 to $10 range. So currently we're at a minus $5 gap. From mid-November to since in just 1 month we're down $5 on this ETN. If you're at the $15 range, I know some people are holding it even, maybe up here even $20 to $18. I think initially people did believe we were going to get a pullback at this consolidation range to the upside with the cold winter. However, that hasn't been the case, and instead the forecasts have been warmer, and thus we've been continuously getting that selling pressure down to the downside here. However, winter has kind of just begun. If we do look at the RSI indicators here, we are currently at the support levels indicated by the RSI. It hasn't broken through, as shown multiple times throughout the past month, but that is a possibility before we get a reversal back to the upside. I can't really say how much of the upside there would be at this current situation, but I would say around the $12 to $15 range would be a very likely target for it to bounce back to. On the MACD indicator here, we are currently a little bit past the zero line, a little bit beneath it. So there may be even continue larger downside potentially, or it may reverse back to the upside here, but it did kind of cross the zero line, or it's kind of near the zero line of the MACD, so that may be an indication of to maybe take a trade, either long or short, depending on your guys' forecast on the natural gas prices, with weather forecasts and any other information you may use to trade this ETN. So that's about all for, I would say, for UGAZ at the moment. We're currently at continuous sell-off pressure. The futures heading into Monday doesn't seem very bullish, and I do expect to see a slight downtrend in UGAZ. I do know that there is a forecasted cold Arctic weather coming Wednesday, Thursday, I believe. But the Monday and Tuesday forecasts are expected to be a little bit more mild, and would not likely to see as much of a buying pressure on the long side, but potentially closing Wednesday, Thursday, and even with the natural gas storage reports, we may see a bullish indicator if the withdrawal is more than minus 19 BCF. Of course, the more that is withdrawn is definitely better for the price of UGAZ, and vice versa if you're betting on the opposite for DGAS, the inverse of natural gas. So with that said, I hope you all enjoyed this one. Hope this helped a lot and you guys got some relevant information out of this. Please, if you enjoyed it or thought it helped in any way, like the video, subscribe. I would really appreciate that, and it would definitely help me to continue making going forwards and doing more technical analysis. So thank you all for watching and staying tuned all the way up to this to now. I'll see you on the next one.